Thinking about the Anker Soundcore Sleep A20 for your best night's rest in 2025? This honest review dives deep into why these affordable sleep earbuds might be exactly what you need. Despite their lower price point, the Anker Soundcore Sleep A20 offers impressive features, including an astounding 80 hours of charge from its case, ensuring you rarely need to plug it in. Users will appreciate the minimal lag when connecting to devices and the supreme comfort, even for side sleepers. The reliable audio streaming and responsive touch controls further enhance the experience, making them a strong contender against premium models. However, there are some quirks to be aware of. The built-in sleep sound library can be surprisingly loud and busy, potentially waking you up, and the automatic sleep detection feature sometimes jumps the gun. While the silicone ear tips weren't an issue for everyone, those with sensory sensitivities should note their slightly tacky feel. Crucially, these earbuds also provide more accurate and detailed sleep tracking data than many phone apps. If you're looking for an incredible blend of features, comfort, and value in sleep tech, the Anker Soundcore Sleep A20 is a top choice. Find links to buy these game-changing sleep earbuds in the description below.